Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sania. इंशाल्लाह आप सभी लोग खैरियत से होंगे. So आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है facts about Islam which are rarely known. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my new updates. So let's get started.
Allahu Akbar.
First one is, the Quran is the best-selling book in continental Europe. Second is, Quran is the only holy book which is memorized by billion of peoples. Hafiz, the memorizer of Quran. Call to prayer. Azan never stopped for 24 hours. The research reveals that Hajar Aswad is the oldest stone in the whole world and can also float in the water. So the last one is, all the sons of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wa alihi wasallam, namely Al-Qasim, Abdullah, Ibrahim, died at 2 years old. Allah deliberately called them earlier so that the Muslim would not appoint them as a new messenger of Allah.